Hi, I'm Kathryn Costa from TrueNorthArts.com and 100mandalas.com. This video is designed to share with you what I've been creating, and I'm so excited. I just had to come on camera and tell you about it. You see, for the last year and a half, I've been designing these really interesting online retreats. They're more than interesting. They're really quite magical. And when participants sign up, even though it's an online experience, they get something really cool in the mail. Well, my newest online retreat is called Flourish, and it's your time to flourish. And I want you to take a look at what this envelope looks like. Here we see on the front a steampunk style heart with these different watch gears and interesting looking watch elements. And it goes with, as you can see on the back, the main message, the theme, which is, it's your time to flourish. Now, I usually don't like to show what's inside the envelope before you get it, but there is something so precious that I created that I'm going to give you a little peek. This miniature little envelope, and on it, it says that there's a pep talk inside. And here's a look at the back of that. There's that word flourish again. Now, I'm not going to show you what's inside this envelope, but it's clear. It's an inspirational message. And I wanted to tell you about how I came about to write that message. I knew I wanted to share a pep talk because lately I've been feeling the challenges of being self-employed. And often as designers and coaches and authors and artists, we create that which we need and we share it with the world because we know if we need it, there are going to be other people who are also in need of it too. It's sort of like sharing the good, right? So I started off knowing that I needed a pep talk from time to time, and I wanted to write an inspired message that would help you to flourish in those moments when things feel really hard. Just before the words came flowing out, I sat down, I closed my eyes, and I thought about many of the people that I've had the pleasure of working with. These are people who have participated in my online retreats. And I'm really visual, and I could picture their faces so clearly. And what I saw in each of the people who came to mind was their preciousness, their beauty, their light. And the words just flew out. I was thinking of all of you as I was writing this message. And afterwards, the excitement, the fire in me grew with such intensity because I knew that I would be sending this message out in such a personal and fun way, in this cute little envelope. And I know that there will be some people who will see this video or learn about this retreat and sign up who I've never met before and who I'll get to meet. In these retreats, we meet up live using Zoom, so we have that video conferencing. So we get to have that connection of seeing and hearing each other. And those new people who show up, I'll get to see their preciousness, their light, their beauty. And I'll have the opportunity to make those meaningful connections with the people who are inspired by what it is that I create. It's really a magical experience. The online retreat includes a presentation about the theme, some different activities, journal prompts, and practices. I always invite an animal ally, which will be partnering with us during the retreat, sharing its wisdom. Then there's the Soul Journey guided meditation, and so many people have said, whether it's my online classes or my in-person ones, how much they really enjoy that experience. It helps them to not only relax and let go of the stress of their busy lives, but it awakens their creativity and helps them to tap into their intuitive inner wisdom. Often, meaningful insights come out of that experience. Now, tucked into the envelope, I always send an oracle card. And I believe Divine Spirit is the one who is behind who gets what. Participants have remarked at how amazing that card that they received has such insight for them. It's really part of this magical experience. During that online retreat, you get an hour to then take in all of this magical moments and create something. It may be taking those pieces and putting them in your journal and reflecting on those messages that are showing up. It may be that you love to create mandala art or soul collage cards or painting. And so you get an hour dedicated to your creativity, and you can use it in any way that you feel inspired. The last part of our retreat is where we get together and we share and show and tell about what we did in that hour or those insights that came up. You will be seen and heard and celebrated in this retreat. You will be gathering with other kindred, soulful spirits from all over the world. Now, if you're unable to attend one of the live sessions, not to worry. You can still sign up and enjoy this retreat experience. In fact, you can create your own personal retreat. You'll receive the envelope in the mail, and I will have for you recordings of that presentation and separate recordings that you can download of that soul journey experience. Now, if you see this video shortly after I release it, I'm excited because I have a birthday offer. My birthday's coming up on July 29th, and if you enroll in this retreat on or before July 29th, you'll get $10 off. Use the coupon code EARLYBIRD. Now, for more information about this retreat, for a closer look at the envelope, and links for registering, look below this video. I do hope that I'll have the honor and the opportunity to create and connect with you in this magical experience, because it's your time to flourish.